Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to verify your identity on Bet365. Firstly, go to the Bet365 website or open the app and log in using your username and password. Once logged in, click the Verify Now button and double-check your personal details to ensure they are correct. Upload the primary ID documents such as driving license, passport, or national ID. Then provide an additional document for proof of address. Acceptable documents include passport, bank statement, council tax bill, utility bill, mobile or landline, phone bill. Take clear photos of your documents, then upload them in the correct sections. Bet365's verification team usually confirms within a few hours. Once your documents are approved, your account restrictions will be lifted, and you can deposit, bet, and withdraw without issues. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.